Hello, Chris Green over here at the Flood Insurance Guru. This is some beautiful water behind me, and it can be some great scenery. However, it can also cause a lot of trouble when it comes to your commercial insurance. So today we're talking about flood coverages on your commercial insurance policy. You might say, hey, I didn't even know I could get flood insurance on a commercial property. Well, that's actually something that's very common. But it's also very common that the wrong coverages are picked, and it causes an issue when a flood occurs. So today we're going to talk about that a little bit. The first thing you want to make sure that you're covering correctly is the building. You want to make sure you get that full replacement cost on there. If this flood water was to damage the building, that you got the right coverage there. The next thing you want to take a look at is going to be your business property. The number one thing we get here over at the Flood Insurance Guru is, hey, I don't need business coverage because I got that on my commercial policy. Well, while you do have that on your commercial policy, it's generally not going to be covered because it was damaged by flood. The next thing, it might be one of the most important things, is loss of business income. Let's just say that you have an apartment complex that is in a high-risk flood zone and you don't have loss of income on there. Let's just say this apartment floods, it takes 6 months to a year to repair it. You have the coverages for the repairs. However, that's a lot of lost income. Let's just say it's a 30-unit apartment complex that rents for $1,000 a month. That's $30,000 a month that you're going to be out. So that's why we recommend anytime you're doing that flood insurance policy to take a look at including 6 months to 12 months of business loss income. As I said, this is the number one thing we see left off insurance policies when it comes to flood. So if you got any questions about commercial flood insurance, just reach out to us at floodinsuranceguru.com. You can give us a call at 205-440-7910. You can also contact us here through Facebook at the Flood Insurance Guru. Thank you.